issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Rhea County, Sequatchie County, western Meigs County, southwestern Bledsoe County, Marion County, central Hamilton County, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 2:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southwest of Spencer to 10 miles southeast of McMinnville to 15 miles northwest of Grootly Lager to near Manchester, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chattanooga, Dunlap, Jasper, Saudi Daisy, Signal Mountain, Walden, Lakeside, Ridgewell, Kimball, and Montego. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK-48, the voice of the National Weather Service, broadcast